De Los Reyes was able to
Coach,
shoot.
that's 19%.
And that's why that has not really been a weapon for this team, for this Gilas team, the three-point shot. But it's nice to open with 2 3-pointers in this game.
Well, again, we got to take note of that young man. Not much better, 2 for 8, but the 2 shots we've made were both 3-pointers. De Los Reyes, the spin and step back off one leg.
That was a great move coming from.
But it seems like that time, possession will stay with Indonesia. What a move by De Los Reyes.
Please turn off the cameras.
That little fadeaway created that separation for Gas.
Coming from the primary big of Gilas, that's that versatility we were talking about. Travis Pascual has entered the game, announces his entry as he finishes through the foul.
It's all about pace of the rebound, and then he is going downhill. He is a handful for any defense. Travis Pascual. Impact off the bench. He has done it the last 5 games. He does it again here in the final.
Of course, whatever happens in the result of this game, both these teams are qualified. So I'm sure you guys are gonna wanna follow the stories of these guys, these boys. Kailan yung mga laro nila, yung makakalaban. Follow SBP as Indonesia.
Travis Pascual as well. Talking about Cristiano.
But Pascual makes him eat his dust.
And he has shown that he is the... So the Philippines finally getting something in offense. This is the answer by Indonesia, but look at this. Off the pick and roll, Travis Pascual this time finishing with his right.
That's a miss. Halyari this time will attack.
Excellent attack here from the Philippines. Pascual.
Halyari underneath. Dumps it to Carino, who makes great speed of that defense.
And this guy is a hand international basketball. He plays basketball as well. And he knows what he's talking about when he says that he has seen the talent at the youth level for the Philippines.
You know what?
The talent, of course, taking care of the coaches as well. But him and Norman Black have been instrumental in identifying talent for Gilas. And now, Indonesia, that is something that we should be wary about.
Point. When we faced them in the preliminaries, Indonesia had 10 points off turnovers. But Halyari says, enough already. That stops a
Playing Carino and De Los Reyes together here in the beginning of the second quarter.
Say it again. Look at how he moved the defense of De Los Reyes.
That's not easy to do.
Because where he had 19 points and 17 rebounds, that was against the thigh. Were you talking about Halyari? You were just talking about how it's actually great transition defense, but they weren't able to stop Halyari this time.
Takeaways left.
We just have so many weapons at different positions. Carino takes the 3. Wow! Even boys are 4 of 6 from downtown.
And you can't give him that much space.